In the 1950s, the Los Angeles Swimming Stadium became the training pool for the USC swim team. By 1970, 65 world records had been set in the pool. The swimming stadium was showing its age by the 1980s, and damage from the Northridge earthquake finally forced its closure in 1994. A non-profit organization, Friends of the Expo Center, was formed in 1998 to raise the money to restore the building and pools. The facility reopened in 2004. It includes the outdoor John C. Argue Swim Stadium and the renovated building, which includes the original Art Deco façade with a steel and glass addition on the back that houses a gymnasium and program rooms. With a name like Expo Center, you might think there would be expositions inside, but you would be mistaken, although they do have 100,000 square feet of event space for rent. In fact, it's named after surrounding Exposition Park and is a facility of the Los Angeles Department of Recreation and Parks. The only exhibits you'll find are arts and crafts created by kids and seniors in park programs. The Expo Center actually includes multiple buildings, not just the swim stadium and recreation center, which are located in the original building. Other related Los Angeles Department of Recreation and Parks resources in the vicinity include the Roy A. Anderson Recreation Center, inside the original building, the Sabaroff Sports Field across Menlo Avenue, the Ralph M. Parsons Preschool, the Amundsen Senior Center and the W. M. Keck Amphitheater, which is really just a concrete slab behind the Expo Center used for outdoor concerts. The department also operates the Exposition Park Rose Garden on the opposite side of Exposition Park and the Jesse A. Brewer Park, which includes picnic areas and a playground at the corner of Exposition Boulevard and Vermont Avenue across from the Natural History Museum.